Namaste. Welcome to yet another video with Shrishi School of Yoga. Today we will be doing a special yoga sequence. Sometimes we get tired even before doing certain activities. Laziness can take our life into pause. We want to continue or we want to do something, but something in us says, hey, let's do it tomorrow. Hey, let's do it some other day. Yoga can help you kickstart the day and move out of that lazy comfort zone and move into certain activity, certain action. Yoga poses that we're going to do today is mainly focused on that. The best part about this yoga practice is you can do this practice anywhere, wherever you are sitting in a couch, on a mat, on a bed, anywhere you can just get started with the practice. Now let's do Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is known to energize the whole body. We place the palms on our knees facing the ceiling. With a smile, take a normal breath in and let go. Now as you exhale from the nostril, we pull the navel in. Inhalation is automatic. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Slowly, let's open our eyes. And let's start swinging our body left and right. Just a lazy, slow movement left and right. Left, right. Now stretch your arms. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left and right, left, right, and back to the center. Now let's stretch up both our hands like a lazy person just waking up off the bed. Stretch it up, lengthen your arm up. Now gently bend to the left, center, right, center, left, center. Slowly release your arms. Now let's slowly bring it at the level of the shoulders. Now we're too lazy to bring it down. Just hold it here like a lazy person and make circles. Opposite circles. And relax. Now we will make a ha sound as we twist to the left or to the right. And with that ha sound, we'll let go of the laziness as well. Breathe in, turn to the right, and as you breathe out, ha, breathe in, ha, in, ha, one more time, ha. Now from left to right, in, ha, in, ha, in, ha, in, ha, and relax. Close your eyes, take a long deep breath in and let go. Now let's stretch the legs to the sides. Right leg to the right side first, left heel touching the perineum. Now gently slide your right hand towards your right leg and raise the left arm up. Now slowly take the left bicep to touch the left ear. Hold it here. Feel the stretch with a smile. Breathing in, slowly come back up. Breathing out, relax. Now let's switch over to the other side. Gently slide your left hand towards your left leg. Raise the right arm up. Now gently take the right bicep towards the right ear and hold it here. Relax. You're too lazy to come out of the posture. And slowly come back up and relax. Join the soles of your feet together. Bring the heels little closer. Now a lazy butterfly, taking a flight. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now gently swing left and right, left and right, left and right. Tick, tick, lazy swings. Tick back to the center and continue. And relax. Let's lie down then. So we will be doing full yogic breathing in this lying down condition. Bend the knees. Place the left palm on your tummy, right palm on your chest. As you breathe in, expand your tummy. Breathe in a little more, expand your chest. Fill in your lungs completely. Breathe out, relax the chest. Pull the navel in. Let's do this a few more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Let go. In. Let go. In. And out. Relax. Straighten your leg. Let's bend our knees. Place the right ankle on the left knee. Arms stretched at the level of the shoulders. Now let the lower body fall to the left side. You look to the right. And reverse. Lower body to the right, look to the left. Let's do this a few more times. Right and left. Right, left, and center. Now let's reverse with the other leg. Let the lower body fall to the right. You look to the left. Center, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, and relax. Let's bend our knees and grab the feet with both your hands and gently start swaying your body left and right like a happy baby, relaxing in the cradle, left and right, left and right, left, right, And come back to the center. Join the soles of your feet together and bring the legs down. Let the knees fall to the sides. Relax in this position for some time. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. Breathe out from the mouth. Slowly and gently slide your leg forward and straighten your leg. Palms facing the ceiling. Relax for some time. Slowly turn to the right side and sit up. And slowly, with a smile on your face, you may open your eyes. How do you feel? I'm sure you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. If doing yoga asanas and pranayama is like baking a cake, doing meditation towards the end of the practice is like you are actually enjoying a cake. The link for the meditation is given in the description below. You can meditate and let us know how you feel. Meanwhile, don't forget to like and share this video. Do subscribe to Srishi School of Yoga YouTube channel for more such amazing and wonderful content. See you in the next video. Namaste.